Welcome to Interact's overview of the Acumed iPad app. In this demonstration, we're going to be going through the iOS app that Interact developed for Acumed and some of the features. First, we have the product section. On the Hero product page, we have a main image stage area. It is driven by the navigation area down here.
To navigate, I can click on individual thumbnails, as well as swiping left and right on the actual stage area. There are other collateral types as well. For example, here we have 3D. I can also tap on this icon to go full screen. Dragging left and right will rotate the model. Tapping it twice will resume automatic rotation again. The drag functionality works regardless of what screen mode you're in.
Different products may have different type of collateral. So for example, if we go to the AcuLock,
We also have video available.
now you can see there's a green check mark on this video, and what that means is that it's actually downloaded. If we go into our settings and look at on-demand downloads, we can see this checkbox. If we wanted to download other videos, we can do them several ways. The first of all is from here. You'll see that that opens up, and that video is now downloading with 5 seconds remaining. If you wanted to get rid of a particular video, you can also just toggle it off here.
That way it will be removed from your device and you're not using up that space if you don't want to.
And if we hit play, we can watch that video. So we've got two tabs over here. One of these is an editable text field. Then there's also documents attached to this system. For example, this is a case study. In addition to those resources, you can actually access the entire Acumed resource library from the Resources tab. There's 3 sections: Documents, Images, and Videos. First of all, Documents. Again, you can see we have case studies, brochures, surgical techniques, and we are able to filter them down. So if I only want to see the surgical technique for the elbow and maybe Chinese. So it does allow you to find resources very quickly, filtering them down like that. Next in the resources, we have the image viewer. Same style filtering available again. And one of the nice things about the images, not only is this a gallery that you're able to go into, but we can slide right and left. And as you can see in the navigation down here, we are actually going through the same gallery. You can pinch zoom. And finally, we have videos. So again, you'll see the green check marks here. This is another example of the other way to download videos. Videos are very large, and we find it's better to allow the end user to select when and which videos they want to download. It saves a lot of time and space in the initial deployment. So again, if I hit the blue button here, it will add to my download queue. And if we check out the on-demand downloads, we can see that that has also been checked off. It's finished up.
In addition to developing applications in Interact, we have a team of 3D animators that develop animations for clients like the one you're seeing here. Interact is a full production agency. If you want to find out more about the kinds of projects and assets we can build for you, please feel free to check us out at interactm.com. All right, moving on.
So down at the bottom it says tap to learn more about the new Acumed hand fracture system. This is actually editable filled and image. Their Marcom people can change that. They can, really focus on whatever they're trying to push in front of their app users. Also contact a rep. Link out to the website. So this app's running on the Interact utilities. Like we saw earlier, you can check for updates. Show details, stop.
Here's our on-demand downloads again, like we saw earlier. This is an optional feature for the framework. It is very useful if you have a large amount of content.
Got a tutorial that just talks about the details of how to use the Interact framework. Turn automatic downloads on and off, sound effects on and off. And reset, I can reset all data.
Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Please visit us online at interactm.com.